In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach and send a folder through Yahoo email. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, compose your message, attach your folder as a zip file, and send it safely. First, head to the Yahoo sign-in page. If you see your account listed, click it to continue. If not, simply type your email address. On the next screen, enter your password to sign in. After you're in, look toward the upper right and click Mail to open your Yahoo inbox. On the left side of the Mail interface, click Compose to start a new email. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to send the folder to. Then add a clear subject so the recipient knows what to expect. Now let's attach your folder. Click the paperclip icon labeled Attach Files. This opens your computer's file browser. Important note, email services, including Yahoo, can attach files but not raw folders. So make sure your folder is compressed into a single zip file before you attach it. On most computers, you can right-click the folder and choose Compress or Send to Compressed Zipped Folder. That creates a .zip file with the same contents which Yahoo can attach like any other file. Back in the file browser, navigate to where your zip file is saved. Click the zip file to select it, then press Open. You'll see an upload progress indicator in Yahoo Mail. Wait for it to finish. When it's done, the attachment will appear beneath the subject line with a .zip extension and a file size. A quick tip on size. Yahoo typically allows attachments up to around 25 megabytes per message. If your zip is larger, it may fail to upload or send. In that case, remove unneeded items from the folder or further compress large files to get under the limit before trying again. Once your zip is attached and you're satisfied everything looks correct, click Send. You should see a confirmation that the message was sent. If you want to double check, open your Sent folder to verify the email and the zip attachment are there. That's it. You signed in, opened mail, composed a message, entered the recipient and subject, clicked Attach Files, browsed to your compressed folder, selected it, pressed Open, and sent your email. Remember, the key is making sure your folder is zipped before attaching. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any part to follow along as you send your next folder through Yahoo Mail.